This morning we are packing food commodities for our island's needy, those who have been most affected by the storm. We will be distributing 7,500 items to the different villages. And we have a great partnership with Guam Green Growth, who've been here packing and helping sort all day. And we will be taking all of these items out to the mayors for them to distribute to their residents.
There's a lot of people who are in desperate need of some supplies, so we're doing our best right now, mobilizing our team to package these food commodities and get them out to our community as quickly as we can.